Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get every font from Among Us. So there's actually 3 fonts in particular that we're going to be going through today, and I'm going to be showing you guys which ones those are. Also, you do not need Photoshop. I'm just showing it in Photoshop for the best representation. But before we get into everything, if you guys could just go down and drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it'd really help me out. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first font is this font right here, which looks kind of pixelated, and I found out that this font itself is called VCR OSD Mono. And as you can see, this is what the font looks like. So it's an exact replica of what they use in the game. I'll clear all those, and as you can see, it looks the exact same, which is pretty awesome. You can't even tell the difference, and that is VCR OSD Mono. Also, everything will be linked down in the description. It will be all in one file that you guys can download, and it will probably be in an AdFly link. So if you don't know what AdFly is, all you have to do is click the link and then wait 5 seconds and skip the ad at the top right. There will be like a yellowish button, and you just hit skip ad and it'll take you right to the download. Now the next font is called In Your Face Joffrey, which is a pretty funny name, and as you can see, that is the logo or the title screen font, and it is an exact replica. As you can see, the font above is what I typed out, and then the font below is a picture I got off Google Images. It's an exact replica besides the A, which they just cropped out the A and put one of those characters in place of it. And for the third and final font, we have the Imposter font, and this was by far the hardest to find, but this is the closest font I could find to that, and I think it's a pretty good replica of this font. So as you can see, that's what the actual game looks like, and then this is the font that I found was closest to that, and the font is Road Geek 2000 Series D. It's not an exact replica like the 2 other fonts, however it's by far the closest one. So yeah, this one, as you can see, is a little thicker, but honestly it looks pretty exact. So if you wanted to use it in a video or a photo, it looks pretty much the same. No one's gonna notice the difference. But I hope you guys did enjoy this, and as always, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Everything is going to be linked in one folder at that download, so you can just download it and then get all the fonts in that folder and download all the fonts. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to leave a comment that it helped you out, and peace. See you guys later.